back. It is Thursday morning. Thursday morning, the market opened up pretty much unchanged, even though if you take a look, by the way, I am short this market here at 73 even. We're at 71 and a quarter. Market opened up. If you take a look at the opening bar, the 3-minute bar in the E-Mini S&P 500, we've got an engulfing pattern, right? We opened up, we traded higher, we took out these highs, and we closed lower. So I shorted it on the mid-range of that bar, thinking that the market would drop and at least retest that low and potentially go lower. So I'm going to watch this bar real close. Again, this is a trade that was put on probably in the first 2.5 minutes of trading, and occasionally there are really good trade setups in the first 3 to 5 minutes of trading. Typically I do wait for that first half hour to get a bias for the day, but there is a lot of movement in that first half hour, and if you know how to read price correctly, there's no doubt that you can make money, and it can be very predictable, but you have to wait for those just those right situations. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off because I think we're probably going to, I am short, so I need to buy this back. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take off. I'm going to take 3 off. Just take 3 off. Because I think I actually think it's probably going to go a little higher. I've got 2. So I locked in only 150. Small trade here. Let's just see. I'm willing to go above that high, 73 3/4. Let's go to 73 3/4 and call it a. Let's see, 73 3/4. Okay, here we go. We're probably going higher. We're going higher. There's no doubt. So I've got my stop there. Probably be almost a break-even trade if we stopped out. We'll see. I'm above this high again. It's very quick trade. Let's just watch this really close. I'll be back. Pretty much break even on the remaining. Just giving back a tick or two. Made a little bit on more than half of the position. Let's see if this market is able to come back down and take out these lows. I think we go lower. How much lower? Nobody knows, right? I would expect at least 2068 3/4. Let's just watch this. Alright, I am back, and as you recall, the last 3-minute bar, we've got an inside pattern here. So we've got a little indecision. My thought is we will move higher from here, and we'll make just a little bit of money, not much at all, and then we'll reevaluate the market and see where the market can break. If it breaks up through the high, I do believe we go higher, possibly much higher. I mean, what I'm looking at is last night the market really traded down. Let's take a look at the overnight session. Look at the overnight session. Okay, market traded much lower last night from where it closed, and then at almost 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the market staged a huge rally and came all the way back. So that's where we're at. So my guess is we'll probably follow through to the upside. Again, it came back big time from 2062 to 76. 14 points to the upside. I just thought that first 3-minute bar being an engulfing pattern that we might get some downside. There we go. So what do? We pretty much broke even. Okay, $75. Not a whole lot. All right, so we'll look at this and see if we get any other trades, but I guess my guess is that we're going to move higher. So you know what? Let me go ahead. We are going to move higher here. So let's go much higher. Look at that. 75. Let's see if we can get 75. See if we get lucky enough to get a pullback to 75. See if we get a pullback to 75. 3 ticks down. Fill us in. I definitely believe we're going higher. Again, you've got to be quick. You've got to be flexible and dynamic. can't be caught in thought and biases, and that without being able to change your opinion on a dime, especially day trading. So let's just see if we can. All right, I am back again. I got filled on that trade, as you can see, and I actually took off 5, and I've only got 2 left. So last trade, $75, pretty much a break-even trade. Now, as you can see, we've locked in $575. We've got 2 left. Again, we bought it right here and took some profits here. We've got 2 left. I want to see how far this can run, so I'm going to go to break even on this trade. Break even is 2,075 even, so I'm going to have an order to sell 75 even. Move the contracts. 75 even would be right there. Right there, break even. All right, let's see how far this can run if we can continue. Let's see if we can break the high of the day. But if I were to take off this trade right now, right here, right now, it would make about it would be up 850 for the day so far. It is what, 951. So we've been open for a little 21 minutes. I want to see if we can break. If we can break up through here, I'm going to move it up. So again, I'm at break even on the remaining 2 contracts. If we're able to break up through the high, then I will immediately go ahead and bring up the stop below the low of the current bar. But it looks like we're reversing a little bit, so let me pause the video and see. I'll come back as the trade plays out. All right, taken out of that. So we've managed to make $575 so far today. And market's been open for 22 minutes, so we had this little short, lost a little bit on a small portion of the position, made more on pretty much a break-even trade. Only made $75 here. And in this particular trade, we made $500 and up $575. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Bye for